the dial to E and the stitch length to 4, what we get now is a hem stitch. I have shown you this stitch while I was doing the fall, sari fall. Remember? Okay. So this is a hemming stitch. You can hem your dresses using this, or you can use it for designing or embroidery purpose also. This Usha Janome, mostly all the machines have some or the other designs, embroidery designs. Some machines have more, some have less. Depending on whatever model you have, you can make these designs in different combinations. So this hemming design, if we set the stitch length on double S, the design would change. The speed is slow, okay?